Thinkery Camps is a week-long STEAM experience full of playful, hands-on activities for kids pre-K through 5th grade. At Thinkery Camps, we want to be a home for a new generation of innovators by fostering a creative, safe, and challenging environment. A place where campers can have fun collaborating with others while expanding their problem-solving potential and critical thinking skills. Let's take a closer look at the kinds of activities we do at camp. Explore. These activities explore scientific principles at work in the world around us through interactive projects designed to introduce new concepts. Move. In these activities, campers learn through movement. We emphasize teamwork and problem solving through silly and engaging kinesthetic group games. Community. In these activities, campers connect to often makers and innovators through field trips and speakers. We want to inspire them by seeing what others around them can achieve. Design. In these activities, we want campers to plan, create, test, and improve inventions. We emphasize setting multiple goals, persistence, celebrating failure, and out-of-the-box innovation through our design process. First, we identify a need or a problem. Then, we explore what materials we have and brainstorm as many ideas as we can. Next, we pick our favorite idea and make a design for our first model before creating a prototype. Then we spend a lot of time tinkering, testing, and playing with our prototypes so that we can go back and improve it. We want to set aside enough time for campers to engage in the cyclical process of trying it out and returning to the drawing board to make their designs better and better. Finally, at the end of the activity, we share our results, get feedback, and reflect on what we've made. We want Thinkery Camps to be a fun and educational experience for all campers.
How will your camper learn, play, and grow at Thinkery Camps?